You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce this name. Julio, maybe? Yeah, that's how it's said in English, but in Spanish it's said as Julio. Julio. So if you're gonna pronounce the H sound from Spanish, you can replace it with an H and it sounds fairly similar. Julio, you could say it. Or in Spanish, proper Spanish, Julio is how it's said. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.